Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into RightBlogger, an AI tool designed specifically for bloggers. This tutorial will cover every aspect of using RightBlogger, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to make the most out of this tool. First, sign up for an account or log into your account using the link in the description. Next, let's start with some context. RightBlogger uses OpenAI on the back end, similar to ChatGPT. However, unlike ChatGPT, where you need to understand prompt engineering and chaining your prompts, RightBlogger simplifies the process with an easy-to-use dashboard and specific tools for different content needs. The first thing you see when you log into RightBlogger is the dashboard. It's clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see various tools categorized for different tasks. At first glance, it might not seem like much, but once you click on these categories, you'll see a wide array of tools available. What I love about RightBlogger is how it breaks down the prompts into specific tools, making it easier to use compared to ChatGPT, where you start with a blank screen and have to figure out the prompts yourself. With RightBlogger, you don't have to worry about crafting the perfect prompt. Instead, you just input your topic or keyword, select the tone and style, and let the tool do the rest. Let's dive into the first tool, Post Ideas. This tool is perfect if you're struggling to come up with topics for your blog. All you need to do is type in a topic or keyword. For this example, let's use Google Analytics. You can choose the tone and writing style. RightBlogger offers different types of tones. You can choose from any one of them. Let's go with persuasive, and then click Generate. It usually takes only a few seconds to generate results. Look at all these ideas. You get a variety of potential blog post topics that you can use to kickstart your content creation process. This is incredibly helpful because sometimes coming up with fresh and engaging blog post ideas can be one of the hardest parts of blogging. If you find a blog post idea you like, you can easily copy and paste it into your document. Next, let's look at the YouTube Video Description tool. This is a very powerful tool that can help you in many ways. You can input any video topic or title in this text box, then choose your tone and writing style and click on Generate. In just a few seconds, you will get a well-crafted video description. That's how easy it is to generate a YouTube video description with RightBlogger. Another fantastic tool is the Paragraph Generator. This tool allows you to input a topic or phrase, select the tone, and generate a paragraph. This is particularly useful when you need to write a specific section of a blog post or article. For instance, if you're writing about WordPress themes for service-based businesses, you just input this phrase, choose the tone, and generate. The Edit and Run Again button is another great feature. Let's say you're not entirely happy with the generated paragraph, or you want to try a different tone. Instead of starting from scratch, you can click Edit and Run Again. This allows you to tweak your inputs and regenerate the content without re-entering all the information. This feature is incredibly helpful and a big time saver. The FAQ tool is another favorite of mine. If you want to create an FAQ page or add an FAQ section to a blog post, this tool is perfect. You just type in your topic or keyword, select whether you want to include answers or not, and choose if you want to use HTML. Then, click Generate, and you get a list of questions and answers related to your topic. RightBlogger also offers tools for writing introductions and conclusions, which are often the hardest parts of a blog post to write. These tools provide a starting point that you can build on and customize to fit your needs. For example, the Post Introduction tool helps you craft an engaging introduction, while the Post Conclusion tool helps you wrap up your post effectively. Another tool I find incredibly useful is the Post Outline Generator. This tool helps you create a structured outline for your blog posts. Input your topic or keyword, and the tool will generate an outline that you can use as a framework for your content. This is especially helpful for longer posts or when you're covering a complex topic. RightBlogger also has a meta description tool, which helps you craft effective meta descriptions for your blog posts. Meta descriptions are crucial for SEO and can influence click-through rates from search engine results pages. With RightBlogger, you can input your topic or keyword, select the tone, and generate a meta description that you can tweak and use on your blog. When using AI tools like RightBlogger, it's important to remember not to just copy and paste the generated content directly onto your blog. AI is great for speeding up your workflow and providing a starting point, but you need to add your own perspective, examples, and brand voice. This makes your content unique and authentic. One of the things I love about RightBlogger is the feedback form. If you have suggestions or encounter issues, you can directly contact the developers. They actually listen and make improvements based on user feedback. Now, let's talk about the pricing plans for RightBlogger. Understanding the pricing is crucial for deciding whether this tool is a good fit for you, especially if you're on a budget or just starting out. RightBlogger offers only one pricing plan. This is the unlimited plan starting at $29 per month. The unlimited plan of RightBlogger is designed for bloggers and content creators who need extensive access to AI-generated content without worrying about monthly limits. This plan offers the highest level of flexibility and functionality, making it ideal for those with high-volume content needs. The key features of the unlimited plan are unlimited content generation. With the unlimited plan, you can generate as many pieces of content as you need each month. This includes blog posts, articles, social media posts, and more. There's no cap on the number of words or outputs, allowing you to fully leverage the power of AI for all your content creation needs. Subscribers to the unlimited plan get unrestricted access to all the tools available in RightBlogger. This includes tools for generating blog post ideas, writing full articles, crafting YouTube video descriptions, creating FAQs, and more. Each tool is designed to streamline different aspects of the content creation process. Users on the unlimited plan receive priority support from the RightBlogger team. This means faster response times for any issues or questions you might have, ensuring that your content creation process runs smoothly without any hitches. As an unlimited plan subscriber, you get early access to new tools and features as they are developed and released. This ensures you are always on the cutting edge of AI technology and content creation capabilities. The unlimited plan includes enhanced collaboration features, making it easier for teams to work together on content projects. You can share access with team members, assign tasks, and manage content workflows efficiently. This plan offers more customization options, allowing you to set default tones and styles and tailor the AI's output to better match your brand's voice and requirements. The unlimited plan is designed to provide maximum value and flexibility, ensuring that you can create as much content as you need without any constraints. It's an investment in efficiency and productivity, helping you to leverage the full potential of AI in your content creation efforts. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the link in the description to try BlogWriter for free.